Kitchen Conservatory, we celebrate garlic at the end of June. It is now garlic season, so I want to introduce you to the wonders of fresh, homegrown garlic. I just dug this out of my backyard. This is a whole stalk of garlic. 9 months ago, I planted one clove, which produced this. So this garlic, I missed cutting this off. This is known as the scape. If I let this go, it will develop into a flower, and all the energy will go into the flower. So in the garden, I have carefully snipped off these. Some people really like to cook with scapes. They have a nice garlic flavor. They're great in stir fries, but that's the scape. We leave the rest of it so it can produce this head down at the bottom. All this greenery, and this is the part that you eat down here. But I'll show you one where I did pick off the scape, and look how gorgeously beautiful and large that head is. I always say our garlic is close to a quarter pound. I'm gonna snip this off here, and I snip off the roots because they have good strong roots as the garlic grows underground. And the garlic, which I dug this garlic yesterday, I'm just going to peel off the outer layer so you can see how gorgeous this head is. It does have this papery skin that you peel off, and it'll have about 6 to 8 cloves of garlic on the inside. And garlic is never better than the moment it comes out of the ground. I invite you to Kitchen Conservatory to taste the deliciousness of freshly dug, homegrown garlic.